How to change menu color in WordPress. I am going to show you how you can easily change the menu color in WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Appearance, Customize. Look for options related to header or menu. Depending on your theme, you might find settings to change the menu background color, text color, link color, and etc. Make the desired changes and click on the Publish button to save your changes. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Appearance, then Customize. Look for an option to add custom CSS. This is usually labeled as Additional CSS or Custom CSS. In the Custom CSS editor, you can add CSS code to target and style the menu. For example, to change the background color of the menu, you can use the following CSS code: css.main-navigation. Replace #your_color_code with the hexadecimal code of the color you want to use. Once you have added your CSS code, click on the Publish button to save your changes. Keep in mind that the specific options and methods for customizing the menu color may vary depending on the theme you are using. If you are unsure, you can refer to your theme's documentation or reach out to the theme developer for assistance. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.